Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what is holding you back from making those dreams of yours all come true? Is there anything that I can help you with right now to get your life onto that higher level that you've been chasing? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute slot at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Stick with the people who pull the magic out of you and not the madness. There are two types of people in this world. One that brings the best out of you, and the other that drives you crazy. And that's not in a good way. Try and surround yourself with those great people who influence and encourage you in all the right ways, allowing you to sprinkle your magic about the place and not that blood-boiling madness.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.